Hello guys, thank you very much. Welcome for today's your special training or lesson on stock trading, how you can maximize and make profit, make money from the opportunity that stock market industry provides, gives you. All right. The other training, we talked about the debt and the versus equity. We talked about how why companies release their shares to the public. Why won't the owners of the companies keep all the profit? They need money. They need to improve on their business. So that is one major reason why they take loan from bank or give it to the public for public to buy some part of the shares of their company. So in fact, they even prefer giving it to the public because if they go to the bank to take loan, they will be charged a lot of interest. So it's better they release it to the public. When the public buys, as they make profit, they share it with themselves and the public that bought it. So today we are going to continue. All right, so back the money or make interest payment along the way. All that the shareholders get in return for their money is the hope that the shares will someday be worth more than what they paid for. So this is what you do. So when the companies give you some part of their shares to buy, and when you buy some unit in their shares, all you get is what you hope. That is your hope that the company, based on your analysis, you have like 90% belief or 70% belief that the company that you bought their shares will grow, and you'll be confident based on the technical analysis or fundamental analysis that you have done. And you know that in stock trading, we have two types of analysis, which is fundamental analysis, that is hearing the news, listening to television, reading statement of account, their profit, and all these things. Why technical analysis is more of the best way, because even if you don't know the company, but looking at the chart, you'll be able to identify where the company is going. You'll be able to know where you will enter the market and where you will get out of the market and make your profit and go. But all these things is knowledge. I'll continue to say it. So let's continue. So how do stock trade? If you are a new beginner in the stock market, this may be your question. How do stock trade? How stocks trade? Now listen, most stocks are traded on exchanges, which are places where buyers and sellers meet and decide on a price. Did you see it? So most stocks are traded on exchanges. Yes, exchanges. Just like in Nigeria, you have different type of stock brokers. We don't call them exchanges, you can call it brokers. Like you have Meristem as a stock broker. You have I think First Bank have their own as a stock broker. You have Afri Invest. Afri Invest. You have Arms, and so many of them, so many of them, so many of them. And if you want to know more about, if you want to know the company that are listed, that trade stocks, or that trade stocks that are brokers in Nigeria, you can go to SEC, Security and Exchange, Security, and they go to visit sec.gov.ng. You can go there, you see companies that are listed, and the companies that are given the right, that has the right to trade other companies shares, companies that are brokers. If you are in Nigeria, or if you are not in Nigeria, you can do a research base, go do Google research, so that you discover companies that are that you can trade, brokers that you can trust, that you can trade from. Okay. All right. So Some exchanges are physical locations where transactions are carried out on a trading floor. You are probably seeing pictures of a trading floor. Okay, so that is the thing. In some exchanges, you go to their office and order, but these days you don't need to go to their office. Most of them now have online platform. I use online platform. I don't have time to go to any office. With my phone or my laptop, I enter the market and do analysis and buy what I want to buy. I swing trader, 2-3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. I made my profit depending on my target, and I'm out of that market. So you don't need to go to any office. So that is why internet marketing is very, very important. Okay. Now we look at what causes stock prices to change. That the factor that makes the stock prices to change, either to go up or to go down, either to be an uptrend or to be downtrend, either to be bullish or bearish. And when you know bullish is when the stock price is rising, that is bullish. Bearish is when the stock price is going down and going down. So that is the two difference. Now, what causes stock prices to change? What are the things that cause the stock price to change? Is that to be bullish or to be bearish, to increase or to reduce? Now, stock prices changes every day as a result of market forces. And that is nobody controls market, even in forex. Nobody controls the market. It's all about demand and supply. It's all about demand and supply, and you cannot control demand and supply. People decide what they want. As you are making your decision, they are making their own decision. The other people are making their own decision. So you can't control, but all you use is what? Use some technical analysis and analyze the stock market and take action. That's why we continue to say don't be greedy. Don't set your target 20%, 25%, 30%, you are out of the market. And you make money based on the money, the money you put in that market. Just like in Nigeria, you can use like 500, even 100 naira to buy units of stocks. Because there is ones you can buy for 0.50 cent, 50 kobo, sorry, 0.50 kobo. Once you can buy for 1 naira, 5 naira, all these things. So even a student, university student, even a university student, because you're up to 18 years, even a university student can be trading stock online. If you're a university student, this is an opportunity for you to grow your wealth. As they give you pocket money, you invest some part of it into stock. By the time you are graduating, you have made a lot of money for yourself. You will not be looking for job up and down, being frustrated. So this stock market is one of the opportunities in which you can make money online, even as a student, as long as you're up to 18 years and above. All right. Okay. By this, we mean that share prices change because of supply and demand. I've said it. Share prices change because of supply and demand. These are the two things that control the price. Now, if more people want to buy a stock, that is demand. When more people want to buy a stock, that is the word demand. Then sell it, that is what? Supply. You see? Then the price moves up. So if more people are buying a stock, a particular company's stock, what is happening? The price is moving up. The price is moving up. Now, conversely, if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, there will be greater supply than demand, and the price will fall. You see it now. So when more people are buying, the price is increasing. When more people are selling, the price is what? Decreasing. So there is always opportunity in the stock market, because in Nigeria we have over 100 companies that has been listed in the Nigeria Stock Exchange, NSE. You can visit nse.ng. nse.ng. Or search it on Google, Nigeria Stock Exchange. Nigeria Stock Exchange. You can search it. If you are in any other country, you can ask question based on your country stock market. All right. So these are how these things. So that's why you need knowledge to know when. You need technical analysis knowledge or fundamental analysis knowledge to know when the stock price is going up, so that you enter the market. So when it reaches to your percentage, 20%, 25%, depending on what you set for yourself, you sell, because if you stay there and it begins to go down, it will go down. Your money will still go down. So the reason why people don't make money in the stock market is because they don't check it. They don't monitor their trade. They don't monitor that. But like me as a swing trader, within 2 days, daily, I'll just open my my phone or my laptop and check. If it gets to my target, I'll sell up. I don't want to know what else that happens. As long as it has gotten to my target, I'll sell it off. Or if I see that, hey, this stock is trying to go down, I'll just sell it off. No need to keep it. Buy another other one that I have seen opportunity in them. So there are always opportunity in the stock market. All right. So there would be greater supply than demand, and the price would fall. Understanding supply and demand is easy. What is difficult to comprehend is what makes people like a particular stock and dislike another stock. That is the next thing. So this comes down to figuring out what news is positive for a company and what news is negative. There are many answers to the problem and just about any investor. All right. Now, so let's look at buying stocks. Now, you have now learned what a stock is and a little bit about the principles behind the stock market. But how do you actually go about buying stocks? Yes, you are going to tell you now. Thankfully, you don't have to go down into the trading pit, yelling and screaming your order. There are two main ways to purchasing stocks. Before I continue, you can purchase stock. In fact, you do it online. Don't need to go to any office. You do it online. So many of them have websites in which so many brokers have websites in which you can trade the Nigerian stock market or America or international stock market. Yes, there are platforms that when you enter, like Trove, if you are in Nigeria, Trove, Trove, and Google that website on Google it. Then you see the website. You enter. You can under that platform. In that platform you can trade the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Then you can trade over 3,000 international stocks, America, Chinese, and so on and so forth. So as time goes on, I will do a practical video on all of these platforms. Then another platform is Chaka. Although this is it 2019 or 2020 or 2000 something, Chaka had issue with the Security and Exchange Commission. Although I think they have resolved it. I'm not using them. I use Trove. Although I register with them anyway. Alright. So have other like Bamboo. Hell, now I have Bamboo as another platform. Bamboo, 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 another platform in which you can trade local and international stocks. Alright, so let's go further. Now, one is what? Using a brokerage. Those like Bamboo, like Meristem, Arms, if you are in Nigeria, those all of them are called brokerage. Now, the most common method to buy stocks is to use a brokerage. Yes. Brokerage comes in two different flavor. Okay, full service brokerage offer you and so on and so forth. In fact, you use brokerage account registered with a brokerage company, stock brokerage company. Register with them and trade with them online. The ones I just mentioned now, they are tech. Some of them are tech companies. They work with like Trove, Chaka. There are fintech or technology company that has link with other brokerage companies. So they trade, they give those brokerage companies platform, that their platform for people to trade online. So it's a business. They know how they do the business. All right. Okay. So when you trade stock, you do what? You get dividends. There's ways in which you can make money from the stock market. You can make money from the stock market when the price is increasing, or when the percentage or the value of the stock is increasing. And the third one is dividend. But it's not all company that pay dividend. Mostly dividends, dividends are mostly, some people that trade long term, like 1 year, 2 years, their interest is mostly on dividend. But for me, I analyze, enter the market, and makes some percentage depending on my target. I'll get out of the market and continue. Okay. All right. So thank you very much. I'm a digital marketing consultant, serial entrepreneur, and an educationist. As a digital marketing consultant, I as well design website, flyers, graphic design, video design, editing, and so on and so forth. You see, no time, man. You ought to work hard in order to create your vision, your dream, in which you have in life. You have to work hard, and I still trade stocks, local and international. Yes, you do it for you to live a better life and help humanity as well. So thank you very much. See you next time.